Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can text wrap text in Microsoft Excel. So that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before we get started, I just want to ask, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, I already have my Microsoft Excel open up here. So this is just a simple estimation that I have here. So now if you look close in this column, you have all these text, but then if you look here, they have been cut here, so they can't fit in this column. So you want to bring them down. So to wrap those, just make sure you are on your home tab, and then once you come here, you will see this text wrap. So now if you were to click on that, you will see this text has now been wrapped, right? It's now been brought down. See that? So if you unmark this, you'll see it has been cut. So since it can't fit here, so but then the moment you mark this, it has been brought down. So that's how you can text wrap, or you can wrap text in Microsoft Excel. So yeah, that's it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.